Classified materials processed. Security protocols engaged. Military specifications confirmed. The system integrates hardened electronics using classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols for battlefield-tested performance.
Strategic manufacturing precision is paramount. We must adhere strictly to the military engineering protocols for this tactical system integration.
Finalizing engineering protocols. Systems green.
Simulation initializing. Transitioning to Sector Gamma.
Standby for tactical performance testing. Let's see what it can do.
Logistics confirms deployment protocols are active for Convoy Alpha.
Copy that. Certification compliance check complete. Ready for transport.
Implementing advanced military engineering protocols ensures battlefield-tested performance for global deployment in the harshest environments.
Check the torque settings on the primary coupling.
Readings are nominal. Initiating diagnostic cycle 7.
Power levels stabilizing. Test sequence initiated.
System integrity holding steady, ready for environmental screening.
Implementing strict engineering protocols, we ensure battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness in every theater.
Validate engineering protocols. We have a green light for deployment.
Affirmative. Manufacturing is online. Truck 1 is mobilizing.
Coordinates uploaded. Executing global distribution.
Ensuring combat readiness through military certification protocols and classified production equipment, we maintain hardened system integrity for global deployment. From precision manufacturing to tactical performance testing, we ensure operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment. From classified production to strategic logistics coordination, our advanced weapons technology ensures global
Certification protocols confirmed on the vehicle systems.
Reliability check complete. It's ready for deployment.
All systems show green for operational effectiveness.
Certification compliance validated. Ready for deployment.
Systems check complete. Reliability protocols confirmed.
Confirmed. Diagnostics are green. Ready for transport.
Fabrication tolerances are nominal. The integration sequence is green.
Quality assurance confirms operational effectiveness.
We've validated the operational effectiveness of the sensor array.
Good. It meets the engineering protocols for field deployment.
Engineering protocols confirmed on the turret.
Running final diagnostics now. Stand by for readiness confirmation.
Copy that. All systems check nominal.
Verification complete. The system shows green for all incoming materials.
Good. Move them to the secure staging area. Ensure all integration points meet military specifications before initiating the final burn-in test.
Confirmed. Protocols are locked.
Thermal readings stabilizing at 500 Kelvin.
Acknowledged. Structural integrity holding at 98%.
The tactical systems integration is proceeding smoothly.
We're maintaining battlefield-tested performance metrics on this chassis.
Confirming shipment route 6.
Route secured. Deploying assets now.
Test sequence initiated. All systems are green.
Operational effectiveness validated. Ready for deployment protocols.
This unit meets all combat readiness protocols for immediate deployment.
Engineering specifications are fully compliant.
This facility ensures military specification protocols are met, integrating hardened electronics for battlefield-tested performance and operational effectiveness.
Validation sequence initiated on Station 2.
Hardened systems are nominal. Ready for operational status check.
All protocols confirmed. The vehicle is cleared for deployment.
Logistics coordination confirms the distribution network is optimized.
Certification compliance is green. We are cleared for deployment.
We are implementing military engineering protocols, maintaining defense-grade specifications to ensure operational effectiveness. status check on the main component. Did the security verification clear?
Affirmative. All protocols successfully implemented.
Finalizing data logs now.
Our defense manufacturing sequence ensures strategic precision. Utilizing classified production equipment,
Simulation peak achieved. Thermal load stabilizing.
Confirmed. Energy beams retracting. Diagnostic complete.
Status green. Operational effectiveness confirmed.
Strategic Logistics Coordination is now implementing military engineering protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness throughout global deployment.
our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes military-grade precision equipment for the construction and integration of advanced weapon systems.
All systems verified against military certification protocols.
Combat readiness confirmed for global deployment.
Quality control schematic is green across the board. Good.
All systems green. Operational readiness validated.
Confirmed. Tactical deployment protocols initiated.
Production is green. Logistics confirms priority deployment to all active theaters.
From advanced materials processing to global military deployment, we ensure operational effectiveness through classified protocols.
All systems are reporting green for certification protocols.
Confirmed. The fuselage inspection checks out. It's combat ready.
Utilizing classified production equipment, we implement military engineering protocols ensuring operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
Tracking system shows the Sierra Bravo shipment delayed by weather.
Reroute through the northern corridor. Expedite status remains critical.
Confirming new ETA is Zulu.
Tactical optimization shows a 12% reduction in exposure risk.
Reroute the simulation through the northern corridor.
Cobbles. Maintaining exceptional manufacturing excellence requires strict adherence to these classified procedures.
The security clearance program.
Testing cycle initiated on Gamma Line. We have a green light on stress parameters. Copy that.
All systems nominal. Preparing for logistics transfer.